Tucked away in the Herefordshire countryside is a town that many people simply drive past. At first glance, Bromyard seems quiet, modest, almost ordinary, but that's exactly what makes it so fascinating, because Bromyard doesn't wear its history on the surface. It hides this. As we walk through these streets today, you're not just looking at old buildings. You're looking at over 1,000 years of history, with every century leaving its own layer behind. One of the first things you'll notice is that the streets don't feel bland in the modern sense. That's because they weren't. The High Street, Broad Street, and Market Square still follow the layout of a medieval market town. For centuries, farmers, traders, and craftsmen gather here to buy, sell, and exchange goods. Unlike many towns that were heavily rebuilt after devastating fires or major redevelopment, Bromyard simply evolved. Each generation builds upon what was already here instead of replacing it. And that's why walking through Bromyard feels a little different. You're not seeing one period of history, you're seeing many. The buildings tell that story beautifully. Look carefully along the high street. Some houses appear Georgian, with elegant bridge fronts, neat rows of sash windows, and balanced proportions. They look like classic 18th century buildings. But appearances can be deceiving. Behind many of those brick facades are timber frames that are more than 400 years old. During the Georgian period, wealthy owners wanted their homes to look fashionable. So instead of demolishing their Tudor houses, they simply covered them with new brick fronts. In other words, many of Bromyard's buildings are wearing a younger face while keeping an older heart. It's like discovering a hidden chapter of history behind every wall. Although Bromyard isn't famous for black and white buildings, many of its oldest structures are built around massive oak timber frames dating back to the late 1500s and early 1600s. Some are still visible, others are hidden beneath plaster or brick. Those enormous oak beams were hand-cut centuries ago and have quietly supported these buildings ever since. Imagine how many generations have walked beneath them. As we continue walking, notice the materials around you: warm red brick, local sandstones, lamp renders walls, handmade clay roof tiles, later Victorian slate roofs. Almost everything came from the surrounding countryside. Nothing feels out of place because these buildings literally rose from the landscape around them. It's one of the reasons Bromyard blends so naturally into rural Herefordshire. One detail I really love is the soft fronts. Many businesses still occupy historic buildings that have served the town for generations. Recessed doorways, traditional timber soffits, large Victorian display windows, buildings standing right against the pavement. They remind you that this isn't an open-air museum. People still live there. People still work there. History isn't reserved behind glass. It's part of everyday life. Dominating the town is St. Peter's Church. For over 1,000 years, a church has stood on this site. The building you see today is mostly medieval, although parts date back even further. Inside are Norman features, Gothic architecture, beautiful stone tracery, and a magnificent timber roof. Outside, the church tower has watched over Bromyard through wars, blades, changing monarchs, and countless generations of local families. It's not simply the oldest building in town, it's the heart around which Bromyard grew. So what makes Bromyard special isn't that every building is perfectly restored. In fact, it's almost the opposite. There are rock walls, uneven rooflines, weathered stones, aging brickwork, signs of centuries of repairs and alterations. Rather than taking away from its beauty, those imperfections make the town feel genuine, authentic, comfortably lived in. Sometimes the most interesting places aren't the ones shouting for your attention. They are the ones that invite you to slow down, to look a little closer, to notice the ox beams hidden behind bridge walls, the rooftops that have settled over centuries. The church has stood here through almost a millennium of change. Bromyard doesn't reveal everything at first glance, but if you take your time, you'll discover a town where every building tells a story, and where every century has left its mark.